Hello friends, in today's video we are going to discuss about Excel, how to create charts, graphs and an intro to pivot tables. So right now in here I have a set of data which is sales data for a lot of products that I have taken from web for this purpose. Click on Shift Control, select all the data from the first row, click on End, it helps you select everything together. Now that everything is selected, I'm going to move to Insert tab, click on Recommended Charts. It helps you to identify what are the best charts that can be used for this. So I have a list of charts here. Okay, I'm going to select that, or I'm going to select a column chart here, say a 2D column. I get a 2D column chart. So if you notice here, since the data is a little unorganized or a little large, the chart is as well. You don't get to know a lot of information from this chart. So there is going to be a lot of data like this where you come across data which is not formatted, which is not right. So in those areas or in those scenarios, what is better is select all them together. Instead of chart, move to insert, click on pivot table. Now since all the data is selected and click on new sheet, click on OK. Now here I have a blank pivot table and on my right I have a pivot table field section. The field section has all the columns. Below that there are four different sections which says filters, columns, rows and values. My values that I know is the total cost. And I'm going to keep say a region as row and an item as column. Now I have a better representation of my data. From here it's quite easy for me to understand what is the total sales value for each of the region that is represented here and for each of the type of the product. Now what is left is to create a chart. For this I can just move on to the Analyze tab, click on Pivot Chart, and I am selecting the chart that is displayed here. It is a clustered column, or if you want you can move to any other type of chart. I'm just sticking to the clustered column. Click on OK. I get a better chart than what we did earlier. Here, since it's a pivot chart, it allows me to use sections within the pivot chart. So if I want to select or if I want to see sales only for East region, I get to see that. Same way I can filter based on product sold, product as well. Concluding, pivot table will help you analyze your data better and faster. Thanks for watching the video and happy learning.